Hey guys, welcome to Techies Guru. Today we'll be learning how to anonymously view Instagram stories, and now let's dive right in. Now to anonymously view Instagram stories, first open up your Instagram app, and in order to proceed guys, you need to know one thing, that is in order to be anonymous, your internet connection with the Instagram should be disconnected. To do that, you can turn off your internet connections on your phone, but I have turned the airplane mode on. You can see guys, you can do the same, turn your airplane mode on, and the internet won't be connected to the Instagram, which means that your activity won't be recorded on Instagram. And through this process, if you view the stories available on Instagram, you can see guys, you can still view a lot of Instagram stories on your phone. And with that being done guys, but which are not being able to load, you will be required to connect your internet again and it will load. With that being done guys, you will be able to anonymously view Instagram stories. And with that being said, and there is, this is how to anonymously view Instagram stories. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.